This is Fonekong knife tip, okay, knife tip. Now we will show how to clean the CPU pads with Fonekong knife tip, okay? Okay, let's begin. Put a little bit flux. Put some flux. More flux. And then knife tip to clean, to melt the solder. Look here, melting very well. Look, all melting, right? All melting. Look, all melting. Easy to melt the solder on the pads. Look, fastly. Here, put some more. This side also put a little bit flux. Put a little bit flux. Yeah, very nice. Here's the tongue huh? And then wicked. Let's see. Wicked. 你偷一半了就就洗它，偷这上面这半就行，不用偷啊。看到这效果就行。Look, melting very well. The solder melting very well with Fonekong knife tip. Just like original tip, JBC tip, okay? Okay, go on. Very nice. Okay, see that. And then let's clean it. Look. 这边洗干净。对。Very nice. Oh, wow. 行，放在这个 OK 就停。Look here. Very good, right? Same as original JBC tips.